Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I have a two-part video. This video is going to be titled My Least Used Handbags, and the other upload is going to be titled My Most Used Handbags. I don't know which one's going to be going up first, but you can check up above in the eye or down below in the description box, and I will link the other part. And so yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will list shopping links down below if you guys want to check these out. I feel like I have consolidated my little handbag collection to not that many handbags, and I try to only keep things that I really enjoy, that I love using, or that, how do you say, spark something inside of me. And so a lot of these bags I still will keep and will not sell because I love them. They just don't get used or are used as much or as often as other handbags that I own. And there are going to be some handbags that I'm not listing in either video, and that's because they fall in between these two videos, and I don't really need to make a video about my average handbags that I use average amount of time. And so yeah, first bag, you guys, I'm going to organize this by least expensive to most expensive, and the first one is going to be a little shocking because I really love this bag, and it is my Marc Jacobs J-Link. But I feel like you could probably tell by the way that this bag looks why it's on my least used list. It's very difficult to style. It's a very particular bag. It's a very particular style. It's a very particular color. I love this bag. I think it's amazing for the price that I paid for it. I think I purchased this with Cassie Thorpe's link from Farfetch. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that I did. And I don't remember how much it was. I will list this video because I did an unboxing and I think a review of this bag by itself. And I still love it. I think it's a work of art. Even if I don't use it, I think it looks amazing when it's sitting on a counter or in the closet. It looks nice. And I love the leather. Like I said, I love the craftsmanship. I love the uniqueness of the bag. And I also like this strap. It's a little too short, but you can readjust the sizing on it. But y'all, even this quality, even this strap, or this strap by itself, I don't know how to explain this to you guys. This strap is amazing. And when I compare it to my other more expensive branded bag that are maybe 5 to 10 times the price of the Marc Jacobs J-Link, it could put up a fight. It could hold its own weight. Like I said, not going to get rid of it. It's discontinued, I believe, by Marc Jacobs. It's very hard to find. I think there are some still available. I can link some down below because a lot of people write me in the comment section and ask if I know if any are available. If I find one, I will link them down below for you guys. I know that usually on 24S, there's either a brown or a black one available. It's usually like a switch, vice versa, but they aren't usually available together. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful bag and I love it. I think though where this bag shines is as a top handle bag. I don't wear it as a crossbody bag. I mean, I do sometimes, but the majority of the time it's like this. I usually wear a pair of blue jeans, white shirt, neutral sneakers, tennis shoes, and this bag, and it looks really cute in my opinion. So going on to the next bag, which might not be that shocking, and this bag out of all of them I think would be the one that I would be willing to get rid of and sell. And it is the Gucci, I'm gonna try my best to name it, y'all. Gucci Neo Vintage Supreme Crossbody Messenger bag. I don't know, could be wrong, could be right. Now, what I really love about this bag is that I think I bought it the beginning of this year. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. And I paid around 900 to 1,100 euros, which generally speaking, I think was around $900 to $1,100, give or take. And so for that price, what you're getting as a bag and in a bag and for a bag is a really good price in my opinion. It's a humongous bag. I mean, it's a very particular taste, but if you like this kind of stuff, I really think that the price is pretty good for what you're getting. The space, the real estate of this bag is awesome. And it's actually holding up really well. But the reason that it is my least used bag and I don't reach for it that often or that much is because of this wonderful Strap. I've tried my best in like multiple videos to talk myself into liking the strap, and me saying that I like the strap, I didn't mind the strap, it was masculine, it was something different, it's unisex, and it is all of those things. But I've realized that maybe I like those things prior, but I don't like those things now. I wish that luxury brands, which I don't know why they don't, because this would be such an easy cash grab. Some of them have done this. I know that Dior does it, but where you can pick your strap. Now, I do think that bags should come with a shoulder strap if they're supposed to be a shoulder strap bag, but I wish that they would have had the option for maybe making this 1,000 bucks with this strap and then maybe 1,300 with a leather strap. Or you can buy the leather strap extra with this strap for an extra 200, 300 bucks. I would do that in a heartbeat, you guys, because this is not for me. I feel like because it was a unisex bag, maybe catered more towards the men's side, they wanted to include a strap that wasn't too feminine. And so they thought this fabric cloth bag with yellow, bright pieces would, I don't know, how do you say, tickle someone's fancy. But it's just no. For me, it gets stuck on my fingernails. It gets stuck on a lot of different things that I own. Little red and green fuzzies get stuck on my shirt. If I'm wearing it with a particular type of tank top, then it really just sits in between my chest and it makes my chest look extremely awkward. I feel like it makes me look wider. I don't know how it does that, but every time I have a picture with this bag, I'm like, oh, why do I look like that? So moving on to another popular bag. Well, actually, this is like the most popular or one of the most popular bags on my channel. And it might be shocking for some of y'all, but like I said, I will explain my reasoning. And it is my Louis Vuitton Neo Noe just Neo Noe. I think, right? No, is it the Neo Noe MM? I don't know which one it is, you guys, but the Neo Noe in monogram canvas with rose poudre interior. I'm always confused about this color. Could be wrong, could be right. There is a hierarchy, I feel like, in my purse tote bag collection. Some people only consider this a bucket bag, but I sort of like group together bucket bags and totes. And when I'm reaching for a tote bag, a bigger bag, because I prefer smaller bags, I usually don't reach for this bag. I reach for my Neverfull or a Longchamp bag because they are a little bit more flexible, they are a little bit more user friendly, and I don't have to worry about them getting ruined. The interior of this bag really scares me. The color, the micro suede fiber interior that's inside really is not giving it or not helping it, in my opinion. It's beautiful. I know that a lot of people like it, and I actually like it. That's why I'm keeping the bag, you guys, and also that this bag is literal perfection to me. But when I'm comparing it to my Neverfull, if I got makeup or a pin mark on it, I could maybe take a rag with warm water and dish soap, like a little dab, and buff everything out. But with this bag, I would not be able to do that, and it would ruin the interior. I have inserts, so for the most part it's safe, but if something gets on here, up here, it's like KO, knockout for the bag. You have to be extremely careful. I mean, for what this bag, like for how long I've owned this bag, it's been, like I said, 2+ years. It looks amazing, almost brand new in my opinion. Everyone told me that the straps were going to mess up. Everyone told me that these little tabs were going to stick up and change colors, but that hasn't happened. So it's an amazing quality bag. I just don't reach for it if I have my Neverfull and other tote bags available to me or other big bags available to me. And so moving on to the last and final bag, which is also probably going to be a shocker. It's still one of my favorite bags, and it's also a fan favorite on my channel, but it is the Louis Vuitton Neo Alma BB, or Alma BB Neo, I think. Y'all, I love this bag, but I do not use it. I feel like I purchased it because I got it for a good deal here in Europe, and I also didn't like the monogram damier of being version of the Alma, and I like this. I like the strap of this bag. I've worn it in the rain. I've worn it in the elements. It has pushed through. Nothing's wrong with the bag. It's just, I feel like, especially as a top handle bag, it's a little dressy and I'm afraid to ruin it. This is not the most expensive bag in my collection, and I have the most fear about this bag. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because it's leather. I don't know. I'm scared of scratching it. I'm scared of like peeling something. I'm scared of denting something, and I want to keep this bag as nice as I possibly can. And so if I'm going out and it requires me to wear a tiny black bag with gold hardware, I'm usually reaching for another bag and not this one. And the purpose of me buying this bag was to buy a sexy bag, but also a bag that I could like go out with. And now that I have other bags that sort of replace this, it just sits on the, how do you say, in my closet, but it still gets used, but where I can just throw it on, take it out with my friends, or go get it, like go on a date or something like that. Doesn't really happen. This is not the bag. I do wear it in some casual settings with the strap because I do think the strap is a like adds casuality, is that a word, to the bag? But generally speaking, yeah, it's not being used. It's tragic. It's sad. I still love her. Not getting rid of her. I love Louis Vuitton's leather, you guys. It's, as always, I say this, some of the best leather that there is in the luxury market, and they're really pushing for it right now. But yeah, this bag I think is closer to $3,000 than it is to $2,000. And so for an almost 2,000 plus 3,000-ish dollar bag, I'm trying my best to sustain its beauty. And so yeah, I think those were all of the bags, you guys. Like I said, I'm still keeping all of these bags. I still love all of these bags. They're in my collection for a reason. Every bag has a purpose for me. If I were to sell one, like I said, it would be the Gucci because of that horrible strap, unless I can find a leather strap that fits it. With all that being said, like I said, I'll link shopping links down below. You're more than welcome to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are, and bye.